Today, we're diving into a topic that is essential for businesses of all sizes: why Oracle Cloud has the best reporting in the business. Reporting is the backbone of informed decision-making, and with Oracle Cloud, you're equipped with the tools to excel in this crucial aspect of your business. First, let's talk about the power of automating data integration. In today's fast-paced world, minimizing manual effort is key. Oracle Cloud's reporting tools allow you to integrate data seamlessly, reducing the manual effort required to update and deliver it to end users. This automation not only saves time but also greatly increases end-user adoption, as decision makers and contributors can focus on more value-added analysis. Oracle Cloud offers a flexible and integrated toolset for reporting. Whether your reporting needs are for internal or external audiences, and whether your source data is financial or operational in nature, Oracle can accommodate just about any usage. This adaptability is a distinct advantage for organizations. Structured reporting is a fundamental requirement for all organizations, whether it's externally facing financial statements or internal sales forecasts. Oracle Cloud's cloud-based reports are designed precisely for this purpose, providing common templates that make it easier to generate reports in the same format, month after month, quarter after quarter. These reports can be based on data from various cloud ERP or EPM business processes, offering tables, charts, and commentary to suit your needs. Data visualization is an excellent way to bring data to life. Oracle Cloud provides integrated dashboards and infolets, offering visual presentations and interactive data analysis. These visualizations, such as bar charts and tables, surface trends and outliers far more effectively than conventional reports, making it easier to grasp the insights hidden within your data. Context is crucial when presenting results, be it in internal reports or external regulatory submissions. Oracle Cloud's EPM includes narrative reporting features that address any scenario. It allows you to provide context around recent and projected results, with the ability to assign reviewers for successive drafts. Importantly, it pulls data directly from source systems, ensuring you always work with up-to-date numbers. We can't discuss reporting without mentioning Microsoft Office. Oracle's Smart View add-in provides real-time access to data sources for ad hoc analysis within the context of familiar Microsoft Office features. This integration streamlines the analysis process for finance departments. In summary, Oracle Cloud's reporting tools offer a rich feature set that can meet and surpass your organization's reporting requirements. They empower users to complete reporting tasks swiftly and effortlessly. With Oracle Cloud, you have a comprehensive solution for all your reporting needs. Wondering how Intelloger can provide these solutions? We're your trusted partner for Oracle Cloud. Let us streamline your reporting processes and help you make data-driven decisions with ease. For more information, visit our website at www.intelloger.com. Thank you.